on my way right now to go help a client. Their home looks like they got a nice pool cover, motorized pool cover that's tripping. So from my knowledge, they fed the power. Well, those pool covers on in order to be code, they need to be attached to a GFI, ground fault interrupter, in order to operate properly. And just by code, you know, just in case anything trips, it trips the GFI, not the breaker. So what they did is they installed a GFI outlet to the side of the panel and ran the power from the GFI to the switch. Switch then provides power to the motor to open and close the pool cover. And from my understanding, what's going on is people are plugging in basically their equipment onto that GFI, tripping the breaker, and that trips the power to the switch. And homeowner is tired of resetting it, and so what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate the breaker, the GFI breaker, I'm sorry, the GFI outlet, we're gonna leave that one on its own breaker, and then install a new breaker, which I got here, Siemens, a GFI breaker for the pool cover. So we're just gonna isolate both of them, and so we don't ever have any issues again. Okay, and then of course I had to buy some freaking 14 gauge wire, because the guy there was like, oh, I don't got a guy showing up until 9 o'clock to cut me some wire. I just needed 3 foot of wire, bro. I didn't buy 15 feet. Whatever, at least I'll have some in my car whenever I need it. But yeah, stay tuned, baby. So this is the GFI. That's it. Let me try to get my wires. Alright. Oh shit. I'll lose these. I don't got extras. Let's do that there real quick. Six on. So it looks like I will add a separate GFI breaker right there. But let's see what's the wires are going on. Oh, we got these. This is feeding what? So we're gonna isolate looks like so whoever installed this GFI. We got the line at the bottom. This is a line. It's at the bottom. The load is on top. That's weird. Sometimes they come different, but they want it separate anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and just knock this shit out. Which is gonna be this one, 14 gauge. And I'll hook up the neutral after. Get my last screw in here. Just want to make sure everything's pretty snug, you know. I don't want no loose connections. There you go. Just like so. Weird. The line is on the bottom. It looks like, you know, or it could be on the top, you know, but let's put these receptacles back. Let's put it right there, just for right now. So I installed the GFI breaker, 15 amp. Now let's go see if it works. I hate step down there stuff, but it's okay. Oh, I should have a light indicator right here, but okay. Closes all the way. Beautiful pool, by the way. And opens and closes now. Beautiful. All right. $120 and $120.